Welcome to the project demonstration of smart alarm using motion sensor. So we are using PIR for detection of the motions. So it can detect the motion at a range of 10 feet at a view angle of 120 degrees view angle, and using this Fresnel lens the system will detect the motion, and that is the digital output input to this LM358 comparator board. So it will compare the input between the PIR sensor as well as the reference voltage. Whenever the PIR sensor is high voltage is provided based on the motion detection in front of the sensor, it will provide us the audible alert through this piezo buzzer. So this piezo buzzer consists of transistor along with the trigger resistor. So whenever the LM358 comparator trigger this transistor, buzzer will be triggered and it will provide us the audible alerts. And we have providing the 230 volts AC input to this regulator power supply unit. So it consists of transformer and rectification and filtration and regulation. So these are the 4 stages: transformation to step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC, rectification to convert the AC to pulsating DC, filtration to remove the pulses and will provide us the constant DC voltage, and 7805 regulator which will take 12 volts DC and provide us the 5 volts constant regulated DC output. So there we can get the LED indication which will show the status of the power, and system start reading input from this LED. There we get the 2 indications. One is the LED as well as audible alert, visual indication and audible alert. So just we are covering the PIR sensor in order to provide the malfunction removing and just on the power supply. Initially it will on. Let us provide at least of 10 to 20 seconds of duration to the PIR sensor. Let's get heat up. So once the sensor getting heat up, then it will detect the motion within seconds of duration only. So now let us just motion detected and the buzzer will be on. So whenever the motion detected in front of this PIR sensor continuously, it keep on providing the beeps. So let us heat up for the initial installation of the sensor power supply. Once the heating was successfully done, then it will detect the motion directly. Right. So once it started motion detection, then okay. So it will be around of 10 seconds of duration. Now we totally cover up the PIR sensor, and if we make any motion in front of the sensor, so no buzzer will be coming out from the sensor. So whenever we remove this, then and there only we will get the audible alert from the buzzer. So in this manner we are going to provide the intrusion detection from the PIR sensor in order to provide the safety. Right. Thank you.